Hi everyone, I'm very good. How are you people? Let me know in the comments. Directly let's dive into the video, and today's topic is all about how to improve your English communication skills. Okay? English is a language and communication is everything. Even if you know the language, if you are not having good command over how to communicate it, then it's of no use. So, if you want to communicate well, you need to know the language better. And if you want to speak English well and present yourself in front of others, then you need to develop your communication skills. So, you need to understand that both are interrelated. So, today's topic is that as a beginner, how you can improve your English speaking skills and at the same time your communication skills so that you can impress everyone and get your work done. So, without any ado, let's get started. The first thing is that you should not suppress your insecurities. Okay? Each and every one of us will have one or the other insecurity while coming to speaking English or while communicating with others. Right? So, don't hide your insecurities. Just express them and try ways to overcome your insecurities. Okay? You are stopping near your insecurities. You may take a step ahead if you overcome your insecurities, right? So don't hide them. Discuss with the people who can understand you better. Get ideas from them. Okay? Practice a lot how to overcome your insecurities. That is the first thing that you need to do if you want to speak fluent English and at the same time improve your communication skills. Okay? If you have only one of those, then you will not be able to be satisfied, right? That is the main thing why you have clicked on this video. So if you want to improve both, then you should not hide your fears, you should not hide your insecurities. You need to work upon them and you need to overcome them. The second thing that you need to do is that wherever you are, whenever it may be, you need to have a clear cut idea on what you want to speak. Okay? If you have a clear cut idea, then you will be confident that you will speak on that particular topic very clearly. And at the same time, you will be communicating it very freely because you are very confident about that particular topic. So don't try to beat around the bush. Don't do that anytime. People are very clever nowadays and they will easily find out whether you are bluffing them or whether you are genuine with them. So don't beat around the bush. Express your ideas freely, and even if you have the courage to speak in front of the others, make sure that you have a very clear cut idea on what you are speaking. The third point is that I like this point very much, that is, try to speak to others to express your feelings but not to impress them. Okay? Because on the way of trying to impress them, you're actually losing your identity. Please be unique. It's your style. Okay? So don't ever try to impress others. Don't try to fake people. Don't try to fake yourself for the sake of impressing others. Don't fake yourself. Okay? Try to express in a clear cut way what you want to express. Be clear about that and express it. There is no need to impress anyone. If they are impressed, automatically they are going to be attached with you. You should not try to impress others at the beginning stage itself. Okay? And at the later on stages, when you are equal with your English speaking skills and your confidence on communicating skills, then you can try to learn new words, then you can try something else. But right now, as a beginner, it is not a good idea to try to impress others without expressing. That is what I feel. What do you feel? Let me know in the comments. The fourth point is very, very important, that is, work on your facial expressions, your gestures, your pace, and the way you are speaking. Okay? All these are really important if you want to become a good speaker, if you want to become a good communicator. Okay? If you are not working upon them, then what happens is that you have a lot of knowledge in your hands and you can speak, you can tell out, but your gestures are going to disturb them. Okay, so try to work upon your gestures, your body language, your facial expressions. If you want to say I'm happy, then say it happily. You need to make your expression so clear that you're happy. Don't keep a sad face and say that I am happy. See, did you get the change? You can easily identify, right, whether I am really happy or not. In spite of words, your facial expressions are going to play a very pivotal role. So, try to work upon them. Be clear. While speaking also, my name is Gowthami and now I am doing a video on how to improve your English speaking skills and also communication. See, did you understand even a one word? My name is Gowthami. Now I am speaking on how to improve your English speaking skills and communication skills. This is too slow. My name is Gowthami. Now I am speaking about how to improve your communication skills and English speaking skills. How is it? You have understood three of these changes, right? The first one is very fast, super fast, as though any dog is chasing me. The second one is too slow like a tortoise, right? But the third one is medium. In the same way, you need to maintain the distance. You need to maintain the distance between the words. It means you need to maintain the speed of your speech equally. You need to maintain the pauses regularly. Pauses plays a very important role. Okay? Don't neglect pauses. Pauses won't make you to fumble. Pauses won't make you to blabber. The other person will be able to understand very clearly that you have a lot of knowledge on the topic and you are so confident upon expressing your views upon the topic. Okay? And the last and final thing I want to let all of you know is that if you want to improve English speaking skills or improve your communication skills, any of these and both of these also, the most important step that you need to take is to interact with people. Okay? Communication involves one or more persons. Speaking involves one or more persons, right? So interaction is very, very important. If you are working upon your speaking skills alone, okay, and again you are working upon your communication skills alone, it is not enough at all. You need to interact. You need to interact with others as much as possible. You should not hide somewhere else whenever you are getting an opportunity. You need to grab it. You need to grab it and you need to utilize that opportunity. Even it is a bad moment, it's okay. Even you have done a bad job, it's okay. You could not speak good words, you could not express yourself nicely, it's okay. But you need to utilize it. Then you will get to know your mistakes and you will come to know that you should not repeat this mistake another time. Right? So don't lose any opportunities. Okay? Try to utilize each and every opportunity. Try to interact with as many people as possible. Try to find ways wherever possible to interact with people. Okay? So that is all I wanted to share with you all in this video. Hopefully I want this video to be liked by all of you. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon in the next video.